Good morning, everybody. It's Richard, the beekeeper, bee haver. This year, I had a lot of losses. If you've noticed, you've probably watched some of my other videos. Yeah, there were quite a few losses. Beehives, and very disappointing. Mostly small hive beetles, probably some Varroa mite infestations, what have you. Anyway, I've got all these supers from dead outs that I need to move from here up into the porch that's up there, screen porch. So what I plan on doing, now that it's got cold, let's go ahead and move them up there. It'll be frozen. And then when it starts to warm up in spring, I'll put them in a freezer that I have to rent space down in one of the walk-in freezers, one of the food banks down here. It costs me about $20 a month for storage, and I'll store them until I need to use them again in the spring. This year I'm going to be starting all over again in many ways. I'm hoping that I'll get the remaining hives through the winter and be able to make some splits. Maybe I'll have to buy some queens, or maybe I'll even raise some queens. But that's where we're at right now, so I thought I'd put this out and let you take a look, see what you think. It's a little disheartening to lose so many hives, but the other thing that you might want to think about is, if you're a beekeeper starting out, is you probably shouldn't grow quite as fast as I did. Now, I grew in 6 years to almost 50 hives. Well, I probably have about 20 now, so that's a huge loss. It costs a lot of money for bees. Fortunately, if I get through it this year, I'll be able to make splits and without a lot of expense. Now, that said, I got 400 pounds of honey this year too that's already extracted. It's in pails or buckets, and I need to put them in jars and sell that. So it's not a loss completely. It's just not what it could have been. Hey, if you like this video, this is hard to like, I think. But anyway, please do hit the subscribe button. And each time you hit the subscribe button, it makes another subscriber, and it encourages me to continue to making videos, to continue keeping bees. Yeah, I'm going to cut down, pretty sure, to just about 5 hives maybe next year. I'll sell out what I can and see if I can't do a little better, take care of them. At 80 years old, that's getting a little too much for me. But I think with 5 hives, I can probably still make some money, make some honey, and that's what I'm planning on doing. Well, thank you for watching this. I do appreciate it. Bye.